Morning. Today we're going to just kind of come with us. We're not going to do anything too terribly instructional. It's that time of the year where everything is busy. We have to harvest potatoes. I have to wrap more squash to protect them from the vine borer. It's also barbecue time. It's Independence Day, and I'm going to try and make some smoked carnitas, so it should be pretty good. I got a pork shoulder. I've rubbed it in carnita spice, let it sit overnight. We're going to smoke it for about 10 hours. See how that turns out. See if the spices stay with it. If not, I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's going to be good. Either way, it's going to make it work. We're going to go get some chickens today, hopefully. We're probably going to go get another boy bunny today, a buck. I'm going to tie up some tomatoes, lash them to the trellises. Gonna go watch some fireworks. Gonna go to some barbecues. It's gonna be fun. Not just ours, but others. So stay with us. What you doing, buddy? You gonna help me with these squash vine borers? Yes, he's a good helper. First thing in the morning, we're out here fighting these pesky bugs, huh? So, we have these baby praying mantis eggs. I've been waiting for them to hatch and wait forever. I've got toddlers that shake them. They're getting too cold. There he is. There's the guilty one. They're getting too hot. They're getting too cold. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lash them to the tomato plants out here and let them do their own thing. Let nature take over. So there he is, deep down in there. Hopefully the birds won't get him. We have secured this one to the trellis. And look what we got back here. A little early morning breakfast. That's a nice one. Hi, what you doing?
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, you do it. You're doing a good job.
Daddy.
You do it.
Daddy.
Yeah? You want to help me?
Ika.
You got it.
Car.
You want this?
This.
Trade? Is that a good trade? Okay. Are we going to eat it?
Yes.
Okay. Let me get my pocket knife. Let me help you. So we got a really good temp. We've got some really good meat. And let's see. Yeah, we got a pretty clean fire. Could be a little cleaner, but I think all in all, with the heat moving through, it's going to be good. And we'll set that bad boy in here, far away from the flame, and with the fat cap up. There we go. That way it renders and it kind of works its way into the meat. I'll get the rest of them.
Uh-oh, guys, we have an issue. See if I can... He's just chowing down. We're about to go get some chickens, so we'll feed them to the chickens. Checking her out. She's got a beautiful crust going. Now take a look at this. Woo! See that smoke? That is ugly, dirty smoke. We're gonna go get some chickens. So I'm gonna build up the firebox and then close it up. So I gotta let it burn for a minute. But you never want your smoker to have that much white smoke. It should look like you're just seeing the shimmer, the heat coming out of the tailpipe, you know. So this is it's just sorry. So this is half champagne and half vinegar. We're normally not so bougie. We just had some leftover stale champagne. Usually use apple cider vinegar and beer. See what we got here. Got 4 babies. And then in these boxes we've got 4 big ones. Okay, here we go. Chickens are a lot easier to manage if you hang them upside down. And what we're doing is we're clipping their wings off. They don't even feel it. And this keeps them from flying out of your yard. Here, come in here and check this out. So, made a mistake. We went and bought chickens, and so I didn't wrap it, which means I got some real crusty stuff here on the fat cap. But look at this whole back. You see that right there? And this bone should just come right on out. Yeah, buddy. And what we did was we wrapped this in carnita seasoning. Oh yeah, see that pink? That's good stuff. Let's try a little of this on the outside. See what it smokes like. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pork's always nice and moist. It's kind of hard to mess up. It's very forgiving. Beautiful. And then there's the mac and cheese that I made also.
Oh, really?
Uh-oh, I'm in trouble.